Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a live demo on how to scrap Google shopping search results directly on your Google Sheet. So I'm right now on a Google website. I'm just searching for keyword, let's say iPhone Pro Max 15, and I'm going to shopping tab. So these are the results that we need to scrap. These are the organic search results from Google shopping site, and we need to extract all this info on Google Sheet. So let's see how to do that. So first thing is you need a scrapper, third party scrapper, which will scrap the details and give us the results in a JSON format, and we are going to parse those details and populate it on the output tab like this. So let me delete this one and we'll retain this header. So now go to input tab. So here you need to enter three details. First one is API key, second one is country code. So country code define where you want to perform the search query. So if you want to get the search results from United States, you can select US, or whatever country that you want, you can select it from the drop down, and the actual search query that you want to extract. So this query define your actual search query that you're going to put it on the Google shopping search results tab. So API key, to find the API key, go to the dashboard page, copy this and put it over here. I have given a link in the YouTube description. You can go ahead and do a free sign up and get the API key for free and put it over here. And then click on the scrap results. So if you're running this for the very first time, you might need to do an authentication. So just go ahead and give authentication with your email ID, and then click on the scrap results once again, and then you will see running script like this. So it will take around 10 to 15 seconds to populate the search results. So now you see that it's the script is finished. Now let's go to output tab, and we got the output here. So the link, and we got the title and the website, and what is the actual price and the extracted price by the parser, and the thumbnail image. So if you want to view that, you can go ahead and thumbnail image and the delivery details. So now you know how to get the Google shopping scrapper. I hope you find this video very helpful. I have given a link in the YouTube description for downloading this Google Sheet. So just go ahead and make use of it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.